Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I will show you how you can go ahead and redeem your Amazon gift cards. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, what you gotta do, simply go ahead, open your Amazon shopping app. Once the app is open, make sure you are signed in over here and it is updated. Once you're done doing that, simply tap on this human like icon given below. Tap on that icon, and now you will be able to find this kind of options, right? Simply go ahead, tap on this your account option given over here, and now if you scroll down, you will find this option of, and then you will be able to find this gift card balance option. Simply go ahead, tap on this redeem gift card option given, and now what you will do is you can simply go ahead, scan your claim code over there. You will get with the gift card, or you can simply tap on here, enter your claim code, and tap on this apply to your balance. This way you will be able to redeem your Amazon gift card and can use it while purchasing something from Amazon. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.